Today I want to work on cleaning up some of the rubber trim around the windows on this car. So you can see up the side, this isn't too bad. I cleaned the side of the rubber next to the paint when I was cleaning the car. And then of course the nasty brown piece in the center there will need to be replaced, but the rubber around the glass closest to the glass is pretty dirty. So I'm going to see if we can't clean that up a little bit so that it looks a little bit nicer, and I can also put some silicone on it to protect the seal and also have a nice clean surface to mask off or maybe work around depending on what we do with this brown plastic piece that should be silver. So we'll take a look and see what happens. So first thing I'm going to do is just take a little bit of Scotch-Brite with just a little bit of soapy water on it. And just run this along. We'll scrub next to the glass here. Next I'll take a toothbrush and just kind of clean up around the edges of the rubber, just making sure to get in the crack. I think the Scotch-Brite will do most of the broad surface fine, but maybe not everything perfectly, so just scrub that out. Yeah, a lot of dirt coming off there. And probably some rubber too. We'll get off the dead layer of rubber and make it nice and black and dark again. So here's what it looks like after the cleaning. Looks a lot better. And then here's what it would have looked like before. So as you can see in the reflection, this glass is really dirty. This is going to need some cleaning as well, and I'll also have to clean off this spoiler piece, which I think I'll probably use the same things, just probably a larger scrub brush for that. But we'll go around the whole thing and see what it looks like at the end. So I just finished cleaning all the rubber, and I'd say it turned out pretty well. Looks nice and clean all the way around. And I also cleaned up this spoiler at the back here, and I did put a little bit of regular kind of back to black polish or shine, whatever you want to call it. I didn't put it on to make it look darker, just to kind of give it a little bit of UV protection instead, just to kind of keep it from getting any more faded or degrading. So that looks pretty good. So I'll have to do the same thing around the windshield, and then again we'll have to clean up the glass and look at this what's supposed to be chrome trim. That'll be another day.